Yeah, guys. So I've literally just checked into the hotel in Portugal, in Albufeira. It's called Hotel Auramar. Let's have a look in the room. So you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. I have not seen this room yet, apart from just literally drop my bag on the bed and get this camera out. So, the first thing I see is the bathroom. A feet wash, a glue roll, and a toilet. An old-fashioned toilet is that. Let's have a look. Oh, looks clean enough. A mirror. Soap, I guess. Cups. Sink. A small bath that I won't fit in. Bath for midgets. And a shower. Okay. This won't be a proper review because obviously I'm here for 5 nights. I'll see how everything works before I actually give a proper review. But this is just a first impressions review. So, what's in here? Oh dear, that takes a bit of opening. Good place to hide and seek. Places to put your shirts, a bit like last night's hotel. You put a shirt there, so it's going to hang straight on that pillar. But you move them that end and then you can let them flow, so that's better. I'll put my shirts up soon. This is the main area, the bedroom. Let's put a light on. At least I'll try to put a light on. That's better. Bedside light does the job. So, this is the room. So you got a little chair there, like a armchair. I like the little ring piece it's got underneath it. That's the boss's chair, that's my chair. No one else sit here, even I'm the only one in this room. So yeah. First impressions, looks acceptable. You got a bottle of water, complimentary. That's good. Couple of glasses. Got a TV. I would say that's less than 32 inch, but who cares? Because I won't be watching it anyway. Another mirror. Let's have a look outside. What the heck? Please tell me I've got a balcony. Oh yeah, thank God for that. Oh dear. Yeah, I've got a balcony. Overlooking grass and another part of the hotel, I guess. Where's the light for the outside of the balcony? That's the task. There it is. I guess is here. Yeah. So this is the balcony. It's December the 17th. Freezing cold in the UK. Here, it's actually quite warm, to be honest here. It's warm. Don't feel any chill whatsoever. It is warm. So yeah, the room seems alright. Let's have a quick look at the shower. The bog standard, what the heck? It's flying all over the floor. For crying out loud, just flooded the whole place. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay. Shower seems alright, but just don't do what I did because I just literally flooded the bathroom. I've just literally flooded the bathroom. So yeah, first impressions seem okay. What's that on the floor? Nothing, it's just a bit of art, but makes me paranoid. Bed test. Very uncomfortable. I'm not going to lie, that bed's not comfortable at all. And it's 2 singles, very single beds. Not happy with the bed. But first impressions, I would say I'd give this a 7 out of 10. It's, 7 out of 10. Is there anything that's going to change my mind? Let's have a look. No. You know what? I'd say 7 out of 10. Yeah, 7 out of 10 is what I'm going to stick with. But I will keep updated because this is just the room. We get to see what the hotel's like, and I'm in Hotel Auramar. That's what it's called, Hotel Auramar. in Albufeira, Portugal. All inclusive. So this has got to be a complete review, and the review will come up in a few days' time of the complete review. But for the room itself, it's got to be a 7 out of 10. What let it down a little bit was the beds, but the room itself is quite spacious, and I think it'll do the job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.